Hello and hang on a minute. Good Thursday, March 29th. Hang on. BBQ. I've been checking out Twitter quite a bit. Ken was like, BBQ. Anyway, removing things I don't want to see from inbox and feeds, part of discardia. Is discardia the new discardage? Sorry, I know it may not seem like news, but really this is as my lack of a beard doesn't match with my hair. Guess it's time to hit up supercuts. Ew, I have to take this one. OMG, comma, no, exclamation point. Sorry. Okay. Brain diseases I wish I had. Tertiary neurosyphilis, synesthesia, temporal lobe epilepsy. These are all. Has anyone managed to upgrade a Cisco 7940G to SIP firmware without a high level of stress involved? Sorry. I didn't know what they were. Oh, still working at work. Sorry. Let's get into it. Okay. Someone has recently posted this dated footage of an incredible horse stunt. Watching horse video. Kind of sad. Gotta get back to camera. In weather, there has been an increase in really loud weirdos on the buses today. In gaming, it's you are Whirly's latest friend. It's Mario Brothers and Line Rider. In sports, what a rant. BRB. Oh, BRB. Awkward moments caught on tape. Here we have a nice compilation of ordering some toner. A nice compilation of awkward moments on tape. Was craving honey roasted peanuts, settled for plain. Must stop this. Oh, you are RoboGeek's newest friend. Haircut at Mastercut successful, now rocking the tuna. I'm typing in Twitter. Now I'm typing in Twitter again, but this time there is more to say. The news is just too fresh to handle. I can't take it anymore. Somebody help me.